What's up, my friends? Do you consider yourself a bricklayer? Do you make the same types of trades over and over again? And do you consider yourself a master of your strategy? I want to share with you a typical week of day trading for me, which of course is all zeroDTE and all SPX. Those are my bricks of choice. I gotta be honest, watching videos of technical analysis bores the heck out of me. Not saying I don't watch them, but I don't enjoy creating them myself. And so I hesitate making videos like these where I'm going over multiple days, multiple types of trades. If I'm wrong and you like this type of content, let me know. Or if you prefer a deep dive of one strategy or one day, let me know. I don't want to make content just for the sake of making content. I want it to be valuable, but simple. Simple is really important to me. For the past 2-ish years, on nearly every zeroDTE day, I have traded the opening range breakout. I use the high and the low of the first 15-minute candle, and I take a position based on price breaking one of those two levels. So my week of trading typically consists of orbing during the first hour of the open. Some days I get a little excited and I will put on one of two of my other favorite trades, which is the IronFly and the broken wing butterfly. But I don't trade those consistently. But if I see the perfect pitch, I swing. All right, it's February 13th. I am on a 5-minute chart for SPX, and 5, 10, 15 minutes pass. I mark off the high, I mark off the low. I wait for one of these two levels to break. This candle breaks the level to the upside, and at this time, I buy to open SPY calls. I set a 25-cent profit target, and I'm in my trade for about 10 minutes before the high of this candle. Usually on SPX, a 5-point follow through is enough for a 25-cent profit target on a SPY call priced between $2.50 and $3. I'll put the actual strikes on the screen. All right, I leave, I do mom things, and then I come back to my desk just before 9:30 and I enter what I call a lunchtime IronFly. It's a 30 wide IronFly. I entered it at 9:24, so on this candle somewhere. I pinned the middle for 41.30 because that's what the at the money strike is. And I do 30 wide wings. Did I say that already? I am in the trade for just under an hour. I'm out on this candle. I sold to open for 15 something, closed for 13 something. And all you need is for SPX to stay within 5 to 10 points of your short strike. So my short strike was 41.30. We didn't get too much outside of that. But the trade stays green, so it's better if you're within 5 points, but 10 points, you're still okay. And then I look to take profits within an hour. All right, it's February 15th, 5, 10, 15 minutes has passed to mark off the high, mark off the low. This green candle is the breaking candle to the upside. Normally at this time, I would buy to open SPY calls or sell to open a PCS for a further move to the upside. However, I do not because that candle was a doji candle, and I have a hard rule about doji candles. They make for tough orb days. So I decide to wait for the second breakout. The second breakout to me is a break to the opposite level. So I wait for a break to the downside. At this time, I sell to open a call credit spread for $1. I buy to close it for 65 cents on this spike down, and I'm done for the morning. At 11:30 Pacific Standard Time, which is 90 minutes before the market closes, I come back to my desk and I put on a broken wing butterfly. This was my entry candle here. With a broken wing butterfly, you need to have a specific closing target. Like I put these on with the intention of holding them until the last couple minutes or sometimes letting them expire. So I need a specific target at this time. I checked the Magic 8 Ball. I have mentioned that on my channel before. It's prediction software that one of our very generous members has shared with us, and I'll link below. But anyways, his Magic 8 Ball prediction says that SPX is going to close at 4147. So I set my broken wing butterfly up for a close in between 4145 and 4150. And oh my God, It closes at 4147. Sound the alarm. Freaking amazing. I make $555. All right, it's Thursday, and I normally take Tuesdays and Thursdays off. I have mom obligations. But on this day, as you can see, here's the high and the low of the first candle. I think there was a report this day, not CPI, PPI. Anyways, we get a really late break, 15 minutes, 15 minutes, 15 minutes. We get the break here. I must have been in the carpool line or something when I sent this. We get the break to the upside, and at this time, I buy to open SPY calls. The trade was super quick. I like a later break, which is probably why I took this. And I was out of the trade before this candle even hit. It was like a 6-minute trade. I'll put the strikes on the screen. Yeah, done for the day. And finally, we have made it to Friday. Here is the high and the low of the first 15-minute candle. We get the break to the downside. At this time, I buy to open SPY puts, expecting further downside. I immediately set up a buy, sell to close order for a 25-cent profit target. My order actually fills within 1 minute. I don't consider myself a scalper. I find scalping to be pretty stressful, but it's nice when trades work that quickly. This morning, the candle was actually breaking, like the range was actually breaking right at 646. And I dislike when that happens because I always feel like I'm chasing my entry or rushing into my position. And I don't know, it's just my least favorite time to trade the orb. But a quick win is a nice win. $250, I was done for the day. All right, there you have it. I forgot to record an outro yesterday, so different day, different hair. But I wanted to give you some numbers on the week because these strategies are totally doable for accounts that are small or under 10K. The total profit on the week was $1,840. I totaled up the buying power required of those 6 trades. It was $12,925. So I made a return of about 14% in the week and only about 2.5 hours total combined time in trade. My fellow day traders, I wish you much success on your day trading journey. I encourage you to resist that toxic day trading urge to aim for the moon and maybe aim small. Small profits are cool profits too, and success should not be defined by a dollar amount. If you need some new trading friends, some fresh ideas, you need to be re-energized, the link to join my private trading community is below. I run Axe Options with a bunch of other really cool day traders. Or if you just want to snoop what I'm doing on Monday, Wednesdays, and Fridays, you can catch me on the Instagram. The link to join is below. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.